had the ends of these curled in a loop so that they wouldn't poke us in the eye. I can't leave them like this, especially if we're going to hang them up, because they could hurt somebody. So I'm going to do two things that are going to solve that problem. I'm going to use the hot glue. Hot glue is not really a glue, it's really hot plastic. I'm going to put this yarn on kind of backwards. Then hold it down. I'm going to wrap it around. This doesn't take very long. You don't have to make it super tight, just tight enough so it doesn't come undone. And this takes care of the problem of that pokey end that I don't want to get hurt by. Before I get to the very end, before I run out of space, I will take the hot glue. Remember, the hot glue assistant is going to do that for you. Just a little dot. Work quickly because it's not really glue, it's really plastic. And it cools off so quickly that it won't glue anymore, and it'll leave a lump that we really can't fix. So here's a leg. There's a leg wrapped up. So those of you who didn't have time or didn't feel like covering the aluminum with paper mache, we can still change the color, and that looks really good. And of course it fits into our theme, which is, it's a wrap.